Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys what are some core mistakes that you do which leads to the loss of the leads. But before we get into the video, click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to this page. And once you're logged in, what you have to do is to navigate yourself on the left hand side, go to the admin settings, go to the teams and territories, and then click on the workflows. Once you're here, so right now, I want you to understand one thing. Leave everything aside right now and focus on one thing. Your lead gets lost if nobody's gonna be accountable for that. If the lead isn't assigned to anybody by default, by the automation, no one is gonna be accountable for that. So first thing first is that you have to assign the lead to the person in your team. And to do that, what you have to do is to go to the old templates and search lead, and then you will be able to here. So it says notify your team about new lead. So that way, using this automation, you'll be able to set up the contacts, set up a new lead to the to your team, and you can obviously trigger it and then create new sales owner. If you have a team member already added to your CRM, you'll be able to do so from here. So once it's been added, your conversion rate obviously will go higher once it's been taken care of. Then you will have to make, the follow-up emails, the initial emails, then the follow-up emails, and then the LinkedIn connection, then the call and all that stuff to increase the chances to convert a cold lead into a hot one. So that is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.